In today's video, I'll show you how to read Substack articles. Alright, so here we are in Substack, and you'll notice upon going into Substack, you'll have access to a whole bunch of articles. You can hit the search Substack option over here to search for something more specific, or you can use these little tags to search again for more niche things. You'll also notice that there are paid and normal options here. So if I were to go into one of the paid ones, after a while, I would hit a wall and I'd need to subscribe. Alternatively, if I were to read this one over here, I could read the full article, but I do have the option to subscribe and also having the option to upgrade to a paid subscription, which will give me full access to all of this user's posts. And it's a great way to support the actual posters. And that's all I've got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.